If you're like me and have been looking for a sleek and stylish camera bag, but have yet to find it, this video is for you. It's Mr. Gumbatron and welcome back to another video. Today I have for you a review of the Grams28 Essential Case. It's a sleek and stylish bag that is perfect for carrying small and portable mirrorless cameras along with their accessories. I've tried many camera bags in the past. I find them either too big or just simply not tasteful at all. And although there are professional camera bags out there, I've always found them to be rather bulky, normally heavier than they really need to be, and just way too utilitarian and professional looking. Just like how corporate backpacks and briefcases tend to look. I don't have anything against professional camera bags. There's always a time and place for them. And that's usually for professionals who are carrying around tens of thousands of dollars in camera equipment in between shooting locations. But for the enthusiast or lifestyle photographer like me, it doesn't always cater to my needs. Although there are definitely situations when it's not advantageous to simply swing the camera over my neck or shoulder and leave the camera and lens exposed to the elements, and also the careless people around me. Up until a few months ago, this is how I would normally travel with my portable camera gear, within an ESOP bag, and then tossed inside a tote bag. That was until I discovered that Grams28 had a line of sling bags that are designed specifically for carrying smaller mirrorless cameras. So Grams28 is a Hong Kong-based company that uses high-quality Italian leathers to make bags, wallets, iPhone cases, and various other accessories. This here is a Grams28 Essential Case with its distinctive boxy shape and signature leather finishing. The bag comes in two different sizes, the 132 Essential Case Pro and the 133 Essential Case Max. I've been using the larger Max version, which is slightly wider than the regular version, which is great for larger camera bodies or if you want to take around a second lens with you. So let's take a closer look. The bag has dimensions of 25 centimeters in width, 16.5 centimeters in height, and 10.5 centimeters in depth. The bag weighs 565 grams. It's rather inconspicuous, but highly functional at the same time. Let's take a closer look at the details of the bag. The bag is divided into distinct separate sections for easy organization. The largest compartment, which you see here, features two removable Velcro dividers that lets you segment the space for your own needs. The dividers are made of a thick, sturdy material so they can be rearranged whenever and wherever without hassle. They're rather familiar to those of you who are using camera bags already. Great for separating your camera from your spare lens. The configurations are endless, and the bag itself can be used for other purposes, including carrying around your everyday carry, and not just for photography application. The bag can be used standalone with the built-in leather strap handles, and there are two, one for each orientation, whether it be landscape or vertical. There's one up here on the top, as well as one here on the side. However, the side one I find is a little bit tight and a little bit difficult to get your hands in. The handle is also great for pulling in and out of larger bags such as backpacks, luggages, or tote bags when you use them like a nested organizer. Both the top and side handles makes it easy to reach for your items anytime and anywhere. If you're enjoying this video so far, then consider subscribing for more. The Essential case also ships with a basic strap, so it can be used as a sling bag. The strap mounting points are actually on the rear of the bag, which can mean the weight distribution of the contents inside your bag may take a little getting used to. Traditional mounting points are not achievable because the zipper extends all the way from the top to the bottom here. To ensure greater access with this clamshell opening. One other comment I have about the included strap is that, as the name suggests, it does feel rather basic. And in my view, it almost seems like an afterthought, considering how beautiful and well designed the bag is. I do wish they included one of these wider leather straps for greater comfort and to match the overall aesthetic of the bag. This one here is a 25mm padded strap, which I actually use on the City 154 bag. But either way, the included one works fine. And you do have the option to purchase any of the other straps separately, if you prefer. So let's take a look at what I usually carry within this bag. If you're curious to see how this Essentials case compares with the City 154 bag, I'll leave a link to my review of the 154 above. The 133 Essential Case Max is a well-constructed and robust bag with its boxy, minimalist, and stylish appearances. This bag will keep all your photography equipment and valuables safe and well protected. This bag is a great option for traveling, or for simply taking around town. When you wish to be a little bit more understated, this bag combines high quality materials, timeless style, and contemporary design. So there you have it, my review of the Grams28 Essentials Case bag range. Now if you found this video helpful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing for more. And as always, dress well, drink well, live well. Ciao.